Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to level up fast in Monopoly Go. First of all, open up the Monopoly game. In order to level up, you require XP. And in order to earn XP, there are some ways. I will show you one of the best ways you can follow. First one is completing daily tasks and quick wins. This way you wouldn't only earn XP, but you'll also earn some extra cash and free dice rolls. Make sure whenever you get extra cash, you just upgrade your building or landmark. This way you will get a house. Also, you can simply wait for Monopoly to give you free dice rolls, and then accumulate them over time. Then you can use them in one go. This way you will be able to level up quite fast. The more you play, the more you will level up. There is no shortcut to it. You can also use this multiplier effect and play this game. So this way you will be earning much more than usual. Also, you'd be able to utilize the dice rolls. So these were the best ways to level up fast. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.